Morning. Thank you, Mamonde. See, I'm going to unboxing this Mamonde latest moisture set. The packaging is really very impressive. Oh, it could be an inspiration for my wedding cut in the future. And now, although it's a bit small during the postage, but it's still fine because it's very lovely. And ta-da! This is a Star Products Moisture Ceramic Light Cream. Okay, this is basically a moisture cream in the theme of hibiscus. And see, there's this very beautiful card. And inside it has product description. The first one is the Star Product Mamonde Moisture Ceramic Light Cream in Hibiscus, and there are 5 other flavors of mask essence. Lab essence mask is here, but can you guess what is it? Yes, it's right here. Let's see. Talking about it, right? Don't you think that the packaging design is very creative? See, I can arrange 5 of them. The first one is calendula flavor, and this is basically the packaging. Is essence mask, meaning I can imagine that this essence mask is going to be very thick. And then it's jelly type essence, and then yeah, you have to apply it for 10 to 20 minutes. The first one is calendula, and then this one I think is rose. Yeah, it is. After that we have narcissus. I have no idea what is that. Magnolia and camellia. Yeah, so that's it. The very beautiful packaging from Mamonde Moisture Set. Thank you so much.